We're at the end of the trail here at Ellis Island. You can see there's a bed of leaves. It's kind of raining, kind of windy, so you can even see the leaves falling to the ground. There's my Kimba and my Sallow girl. So there was kind of a nefarious looking guy here when we first started walking. I thought it was kind of weird because some older people dropped him off and left him. So I don't know what that was all about. Just hoping that when we get back to the van, it's not broken into. Alright guys, so I think it's about 55 and I've been doing a little bit of jogging, so I am hot now. I took off my hoodie and we have to turn around here now. Oh cool, you can even see the trail where we walked. I don't think anybody's been back here. Oh, this is pretty. At least I think it is. It's prettier in the summertime, but this is still pretty. What are you doing, girl? Some morning Silo gets up and she won't take a treat, and some mornings she'll throw up. She did that this morning. So now she's out here trying to eat some grass, weeds. I hope whatever she's nibbling on isn't bad for her. Alright guys, I'm going to put this down for now. Start heading back to my van and see if all my stuff is still in there. Alright, he just finished having his little zoomies. Oh, and why does this boy walk down the side of the road that has the most mud? Hey, you know there's food at home. I don't have to be eating these, whatever they are. Uh-oh. You still got the zoomies? Hey, bud. Come on. Keep going. Just don't jump on us. Whoa! Did you fall down? Whoa, buddy. What happened to you? Oh, you getting a snack? I wouldn't eat that stuff. What the heck is it? Is it wild oats, wild wheat, or just weeds? Yeah, so over here, there's ducks in the pond usually, but this pond here, never see any ducks in it. And the only thing I can think of is that it's, well, I call it the turtle pond, because on some days you'll see an awful lot of turtles basking in the sunshine. Oh my. So look at the sky. It's actually barely sprinkling now. And that guy I was talking about, he kind of didn't do his walk. He acted like he was going to. And then he kind of said something about, oh, it's raining. And I went back to my van, made sure it was locked, and got my umbrella. And anywho, don't know what's going on with him. And then after that, and he said, looks like it could really pour down. You gonna brave it? I go, yeah. I just went and got my umbrella. So he kind of stayed hanging out close to the parking lot. So again, don't know what's going on with him, but I'm just hoping that all my stuff is still there. I mainly don't want a busted window because I've dropped full service insurance on my van. Since it's a 2003 and it's been paid off for a couple years, I thought to myself, well, I can't see getting full coverage on it. Anywho, yeah, there's the pond where I usually see the ducks. The clouds are moving kind of fast. Anyway, I like days like this. Well, I think I'll run a little bit. Maybe to the end of this road. See y'all later. When we walked past here earlier, we found this bucket. It looks perfectly good. So I set it here because I knew I'd be walking back this way. And I'm going to take it home. I think you can always use a bucket. Okay, we got a little bit more walking to do, and then we'll be back to the van. So we walked down here to the river. I could hear the waves from the trail, and they were calling to us. Silo doesn't seem to be interested in it. I got my stuff in my bucket. So, looks like it's pretty good, but I wouldn't trust it to hold anything very heavy. It's my hometown, and the bridge we came over here on. And yeah, I love the sound of the waves. Oh gosh, I need to go to the ocean. So I'm gonna say this, and I'm gonna say this right here. Come January, I want to be in Florida or Texas. I think Florida might be more doable. So anyway, if anybody knows of any free camping spots in Florida, also, is it true that you have to have prior reservations to camp any place in Florida? So yeah, if you know anything about that, just leave it in the comments. We're probably going to go back up to the trail. It's right up there where that stump is. Later, you guys. Okay. Oh man, my glasses are fogged up. But anyway, everything is where it's supposed to be. So, even the extra phone. So yeah. You know, I feel bad about distrusting people, but I mean, the society nowadays, I just don't think I can trust anybody. But anyway, guys, go out and have some fun today, and I'll see you in the next video.